And game just started for the afternoon. I'm currently laying down on the ground right next to the swamp. Straight ahead of me, I got two guys wandering up. Back behind me and up that way, we got the rest of the rats. This guy straight ahead there. Two guys, and they're moving along to the right. It gets really thick down here. That's why I didn't think they'd come. And we have a bunch straight through here. Let's see what we can do. The rats are pretty quiet. There's some blues back behind them making some noise. There's a guy. Let's see, two guys. Come on, keep walking. Keep walking. Come on. Check your goggles! I hope I caught that on. Oh, that sucks for him. And here comes his buddy. Where'd Tubby go? Tubby ducked behind that tree. There he is, he's poking out a little bit. A nail in his tree. Now, gotta reload. Switch hands for a second. He's got another guy. And they're all drawn in on me. Alright, he's calling out. Hee hee hee. That gives me the ability to the right of him. Let's see what kind of damage we can do on him now. But at least they know the low side is mine. Hopefully scare him up towards the rest of the rats. Alright, nobody's shooting at me now. That's a good sign. And I see moving for that big tree. Oh, way back there. Down low. Low. Got a guy that just moved all the way down low. He's creeping along this swamp line. They're shooting at me. Doesn't mean much. This guy's going straight through there. That was a nice string at him. Right in there. He jumped back into the right now. We got that guy straight through there. The other one over there. So this guy, instead of moving across and getting our flank, now moving back towards the middle, where we want to keep him. Yeah, seems to be some thick brush in there that he hid behind. What do you got, Focus?
I'll move at my 12 o'clock, 200 feet out there.
Okay, we're gonna shut